The company was founded because I've worked in engineering, not only here in the UK for 15 years, but around the world for 30 years plus. And knowing the UK market, I realized that there was a gap in the market for good quality tools. So I set out to bring those tools to the United Kingdom and good quality manufacturers that I've known through the years. We specialize in supplying the UK market and Ireland with pressing machinery and a variety of metal fabrication equipment. Every industry that's out there we sell machinery into, and some of the main ones that we deal with are aerospace, rail, energy generation, whether it's traditional forms of nuclear, coal, gas, or renewables, automotive, and just general metal fab. The main focus is hydraulic presses and now mechanical presses, and those presses can be made custom to the customer's needs. And then we also do other metal fabrication equipment, saws, pillar drills, profile bender, grinders, end formers, tube notchers, tube formers, and other forms of tube manipulation equipment. The main supplier that we have is RHTC Profi Press out of the Netherlands. We also have Scantool, which is out of Denmark, and then we work with Carbend. Carbend comes out of Turkey. So we have good quality European machines and we have European style machines, but all of them are top quality. Our USPs are offering good quality equipment to the UK and Irish markets. And if our standard presses, and we have a wide variety of presses and machines that we offer, but if those machines don't suit our customers' needs, we're able to take those machines and modify them to suit their needs. So whether it's any features on the machines, safety controls, height, width, tonnages, or whether it's integrating it into a system, a manufacturing system, we can do that also. So basically offering them a broad range of machinery and then having the abilities to customize those machines to suit our customers' needs.